What's up, guys? Welcome back. Let's bring this in here. Welcome back to another stream, an ARKSTREAM. I have my camera zoomed in closer to my face this time. Turn the music down. Well, either way, I'm not streaming on Twitch tonight. I'm going to try out YouTube for tonight. Because honestly, like I've been saying for the past forever, been meaning to stream on YouTube. So, all right. Okay, I am live. It is working. Very cool. All right. I'm gonna change the music, man. It's too loud. There we go. Should be better. Okay, so right now what I'm working on is a okay, wrong page. Something that allows you to win. I want to make it so people can implement it in their game. If you have been in the game for too long, it'll boot you. Isn't there a mute thing? Yeah, there we go. So once you enter, let's say, oh, I have it set to actual times right now. 1800. What time is that? It's 30 minutes. So every 30 minutes it'll warn you. Wow, that's interesting. So Discord integrates streaming when I go live on YouTube, but typically doesn't when I'm doing Twitch. Okay, that's interesting. That's very interesting. Well, either way. Okay, so right now I want to make it to where if someone changes the value of true, like, let's see. True. So our Boolean here is kick activated. That means, okay, kick activated is true. Now what we can do is if kick activated equals true and this, then kick. That way, toggle when this is okay. There's nothing special about this. Okay. And also you might notice I don't have music playing because on YouTube I'll get copyrighted a lot easier than Twitch. Like music will just get kind of deleted. This way no audio disappears. So there you go. That's why. Right there. So basically it's already done. Just by doing kick activated is true. Because now if we test it, I can put like 15 seconds on and 30, 18 and 3600. and we'll test it. What's up, Burra? Welcome to the stream. I'm not centered, by the way. I wasn't centered. Wonder if I put the microphone up here. You could tell me, how well does that sound, or how good does that sound? Does that sound good at all, or does it sound distant? Because when I do that, it gets it out of my face. Yeah, I made you moderator a while ago. Oh, there we go. You've been playing the game for 0 minutes. That's strange. Sometimes this works, sometimes this doesn't with the coil. A little distant. Okay. Just makes it nicer for me. Last time I tried making a drop down, it wasn't cooperating very well. All right, now I can associate sounds and stuff with it. Is that background? Okay. So this will actually kick you, and it will say player kick, health assistance, too much time spent in game. Because I'm a firm believer in the idea that like kids are gonna be on the internet, but they need to be exposed to as little brain rot as possible, you know, so that they can not be subject to maximum brain rot. And so by making this free, the idea is that people can take this and use it in their game. They can just kind of throw it in. And I will add a this is a good notification sound. There we go. And then after this, we'll do a little bit of 3D design. I'm gonna give it some time for paintball. Give some people time to join in. Give people some time to join in. See if we can see if we can get anyone in here. And see where we can go with that after that. Okay. There's probably a way I could package this so that like people can't just take the code. It's not really a concern to me because it's not complex at all. But I think if it's already a pre-made thing and people can start using it in their game, that'll be a lot better. I forgot. I didn't hear the sound. Hold on. I'm playing music. Oh yeah. Okay, it works. It works. Pretty much it. All right, next step. Going to be redesign. It's finally time. Even though I could do like leaderboard stuff and settings like that, I think I want to get into, oh my gosh, redesigning the actual buildings here. We got all these relics type of things. Oh, these stands are weird looking. And I'm going to redesign this as well. I want it to be open. So like imagine if I remove these. Remove all this and just kind of have this open like that. Kind of the new goal. Kind of like these buildings. But I want to redo, not redo, but make different pillars. Use a similar texturing style. So in reality, I could leave this. Maybe it's a little too, I think it's a little too big. So let's go ahead, open Blender. What is it? Shift? No. Oh yeah, that just changed it to viewport. Or changed the viewport. I need to find the file. Found it. Okay, so we have that. Am I in orthographic? No, I'm not. Now I am. Perspective, orthograph. I always like, I think this is perspective. I really like perspective for some reason, just because it makes it look way more architectural. Makes it look way more like engineering, architectural. So, okay. And things actually look like, if you had people down there, yeah, you get what I mean. Okay, so we have this building right now in the iterations. So what we'll do is take this, move it to the origin, and then split it off over here. Now we can edit everything. I've still got it, man. I've still got it. I don't know why this inset is so huge. Doesn't make sense to be so giant. Bevel this edge. How do these buildings look? They're more round than anything. So I think if we do something kind of like dome, that look kind of nice. Okay. So essentially what we can do now, kind of remove these rings. Well, I think it would actually be kind of neat if we did this instead. Kind of created a link between them somewhere in here. And when I say link, I mean a link between the pillars. That UV map would be terrible if I UV'd that. So what we're gonna do here instead, faces all the way to the center. It's a little better. Link reference? Yeah, really. True. Link is dead. Link is dead. It feels so good. It feels so good to be 3D modeling again. It's like it's like my thing, dude. It's like my thing. You can see how fast I'm doing it too. Like I've gained a new appreciation for it. me trying to fill the role of programmer by myself. I mean, I can do it, but it's like I know my main role. I understand my main role now. So, for show. All right. I'll leave programming up to you, Vera. You can make cool things happen fast. All right. I'm gonna delete this. What's up, SBE Gary? Welcome to the stream. Thank you for tuning in. You know that I think about it, the more that I stream Blender, actually the more Blender people I'll get joining the stream, which I'd much rather prefer than like than Roblox per se. Yeah, Original was saying the same thing when he was still around active on Roblox. He never got around to it because he was so like he was kind of all over the place deciding what to do. But yeah, I agree. I agree. I think the videos are they're so lacking information. Like and that's why I was always kind of like confounded by the idea of why are my physics videos doing so well? And it's because and literally nobody else has done physics videos or at least as well. Mine still does really are people just not capable? I don't know. Maybe it is a capability of understanding and you know that's honestly something that differentiates a good professor from a bad professor in school. So, set origin. Alvin Blocks, dude, is he even? Yeah, they are outdated, but is he even still making videos? He's matured now. He's an old man, sort of. Yeah, yeah, exactly. I would argue that even my code is probably more indated than that, if that makes sense. Where's my size reference? I should have one somewhere. Let's see. Dummy? Yeah, there we go. What is it? Z? Shift FC? Nope. It's zoom 2. I forget there's a view frame selected. Oh, it's numpad, that's why. I don't have a numpad. When I put a model into a Roblox model into Blender, my models are being uncolored and can't change anything. What could I do? I would look up a tutorial on YouTube. I personally would have one if I did more in that realm. However, what's happening is that your textures are not being imported properly over to Blender, or the faces are all wonky because I forget how Roblox does it, but yeah. So they're being imported like this probably because without a texture, Blender doesn't recognize colors. Like color is its own individual property built into Roblox through their code, through Studio's backend code. So they define what color is before, you know, and Blender has its own way of coloring things. How can you change? So you can change the color by, this is like a whole thing in itself that I had to learn. But you add a material to your selection, whatever selection it could be. It could be just this. Do a new material, assign it, and it's only going to color that. It's only going to color that selection. So if I go over to this now, look, there you go. If I assign another material, create a new one. There you go. Same thing. And that's how you assign colors. That's the basic gist of it. No problem. Everything else more technical, I would recommend a guide. That I don't have. I can't see that. See when times like that come up, I can't be like, I have a video for that. You should. I should. But oh, I deleted the dummy. Bad habit of mine. Okay, so see what type of shape do we want? I don't necessarily want round. I want contrast with the rest of the structure. We could do something kind of polygon, a polygon. A rigid polygon. We can detail it further later. He hasn't posted in 8 months. Dang. He fell off. No. He's doing his own thing. I like having the overhang. I suppose I don't need select all of those. Yeah, there we go. So we'd mirror this. I haven't updated Blender in a while, actually. How to tell if your things aren't centered. Boom. We're not going to make anything too wonky. Yeah, first I want to get the general shape down, and that's what we're doing right now. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, those vertices are still selected, yeah. Ah. See, how do these look? They're relatively square and then they flower out. Okay. Hmm. Guess there should be a sort of familiarity. What else do I have selected? I really like that. Kind of like tree stumps up. I like that. We can leave the rest up to texturing. Hey, thanks for the compliment. Appreciate it. Doing a little bit of hard surface right now. Whoops. And we're gonna loop this around the entire building after it gets textured, and these will be the pillars. I think that would, yeah, to fit the absolute size of that. This feels massive still. You can always just shrink it down, but alrighty. And I think a little bit of size adjustment on the lower base needed. Oh, we had a little bit of a angle issue going on. Same thing here. What happens when you stretch them out? Okay. Now it's color assignment. Want a better lighting scene. Yeah, that's good. Oh, wait, yeah, right. This is gonna probably be a color. We can rename them afterwards, but if we look in here, we have gold, gold, and then stone, and we'll probably follow that same theme. Metallic on these would be kind of nice, right? Well, yeah, that color is way off, actually. We could probably go with a little bit more of a green color and get it closer. Um, And honestly, yeah, these, it's too bright to be gold on that. What am I listening to? Goes crazy. Gold. I don't know how I feel about gold, honestly. Like yellow, this is yellow more than it is gold. That makes sense. Like if I make it this color, that's not gold. Gold is really described by how metallic it is. Otherwise now, super rough. Just, that's just yellow, orange. Okay, the base is different. I think I like that idea as well. That. I love cylinder 36. I should have just copied the material and changed it. But I'm a goofball, so. Honestly, it might be nice. Something like this. We have to be wise about how we do this. I actually do like that, so we can do this instead. Bruh. That's what happens when you don't pay attention. Happens all the time. What? What? Oh, I see. That's why I was getting weird angles. That looks nicer. I like this. We can always make it really, really ugly whenever we want. Whoa, that actually isn't that ugly. Be careful how I talk. Gives it some sense of grandiosity without making it look too rigid. There we go. And what? What is that, dude? How is that? How is that? Ow. Ain't no way. It's gonna look so awesome when it's actually colored though. Oh, we have to UV, that's right. Oh no, I'm just kidding. Gotten so good at UVing. 1 million hours. 1 million hours UV map. No, we have to do this one too. And this will just follow all the way through. Check this out. Whoop. Where are we? And this will just be mirrored. It'll be, this is the benefit of mirroring. My only concern is this right here. So this actually came out really well. Other than those. So what can we sacrifice? Bruh. That's about it. That's gonna look so ugly on a texture though. It'll look okay. It won't be like pretty, but like, technically I could do this. Turn on proportional editing. Yeah, that'll work. The texture might get stretched a little bit. So we actually want to reduce it just a tad. It looks better. It's not super critical, so. We're good to go. What happened to... Right. What? What's going on? Okay. Sort of figured something out. Having round rock might be strange anyways. We could call this the pavilion now. And because what is a pavilion? It's like a platform. Pavilion meaning. Summer house or other decorative building used as shelter in a park or large garden. I like that. Go with pavilion. Pavilion pillar. There you go. And now we open up the painter. Starting download. Bro, hold on. I don't want you downloading Halo on... Okay. Update queued. I was gonna be like, we're gonna download it automatically. You what? I didn't give you... Who allowed this? Alright. Vera, do you want to try paintballing? Because it doesn't look like anyone who's a normal viewer is viewing. Any of our normal viewers. And it's 8 o'clock. How long have we been streaming? Maybe I shouldn't get distracted and finish this first, but... Oh man, this brings back memories. I'm doing the other pillars right here. So let's see. Oh my gosh, the PBR on that is insane. Not in a good way. In an okay way. Do a slight green tint. Olive green. Ooh, that's nice. Raise our roughness. So we're gonna base color everything. Oh wait, that's right. I've done red over here. So maybe this one should be blue. What would go better? Pink, perhaps? Be purple? I have to change the tint, though. There's blue here. Blue, yellow, red. This should be purple, and this can be green, I guess. Makes sense. All right. Yeah, that's a nice color scheme. There you go. Green and brown. I guess these could be the brown parts, and this could be like wood. That'd be interesting. Like a wood core. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. So let's see what we got going on here. Got a little bit of a shiny foily thing going on. I really just kind of went all out on these. I'm pretty sure I have them up in my recent files. Have it up. I don't. We'll save this. Texturing our community. Okay. We'll call this pavilion pillar texture. Makes sense. Why am I using a generator? I should be able to actually find the... Let's rename that. What is this sorting? Texturing, substance painter, and then... Now's not the time to do sorting, but... Be happy to help test at some point. I'm looking at co-working. Co-working right now. You're my ASMR stream. No problem. Yeah, if you want to play the game and check it out anytime, it's up under our community. I think the group link is in my description. Not sure. YouTube's like, you have an audio bitrate of 0. It's like, yeah, because I'm not playing audio through my, because you'll censor it. Definitely check it out. Appreciate that. Only condition is you have to be in the group to access it. It's a limited access. Exclusive. Might change that in the future. I don't know. Probably not. So I have a substance painter folder and then oh, I see. I know the difference between these now. These are all my actual files. Yeah. All right. Thank you. I did a custom texture and saved it. It should be on here. Or should you? Yo, I could do the meta texture on the. That would actually be pretty nice for one of the maybe like the library, the crystal texture, marble verity alpi. Oh, I like that. That looks nice. Oops. Yeah, it's a nice marble texture. I'm positive. Positive. I did a stone of some sort. Yeah, I don't like this color scheme anymore. Definitely not. Oh, I did Midas too. Yo, Midas goes crazy. Yeah, this looks here. Too dark. Okay, so I guess I'll be making my own custom texture for oh my gosh. Some of these seem new, but I know they aren't. I could have sworn I saved more than this. Okay, well, no matter. I don't want it to be like too different from this texture, right? Boogers. Booger green. Okay. Go for it then. We'll start with um some lighting things. Oh, duh. Duh. Dude, I always, you can tell it's been a while. I'm forgetting to bake my maps. I don't want any heavy curvature. I mean, yeah, we'll be okay with that. A little bit of lag here. There we go. Yeah, already the shading is almost more natural. You can see it. All right, and then with that we do a gradient. We could do curvature. No. Maybe, yeah, no. No. Looks like burnt. I mean, if we did multiply. No? Okay. Did color burn? Oh, it's black, right? Oh, I like that. Perfect. If the gradient, which would come first? Gradient? Oh, no, they'd go together. We're gonna leave it untouched with gradient. Yellow looks kind of nice. We'll leave it plain for now. Let's see. So we got a foilish kind of thing going on here. What in the world is that? Yeah, that needs to be fixed, those faces. Because that is not supposed to happen. It's dark by normal because of how the faces are warped. Right, so now we need to do this. We're doing the actual green. Okay, let's get yeah, nope. We need something with more void. Whoops. That kind of looks nice. Need bigger spots, so clouds might do it. That looks more like it. Let's try. Looks kind of like the moon, however. And then we did a moss on top. And I can imagine how I did that. Oh yeah, right. You boogers. They're boogers. Did I make them? I did, didn't I? Yeah, the book. It looks like it's diseased, dude. It looks like it's got illness. This like horror pillar. Verona Fractal did not change it at all, apparently. Oh, yeah, there we go. Typically, yeah, here we go. There's a lot of these. No. That's not gonna be it. Wireframe is sick though. Oh, dude, I'm gonna use that for this up here. Yeah, let's try that. Hold on. Let me throw it on there real quick. Heck yeah. Throw that into being. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Hello. Yes, please. Imagine if the stone has wireframe. Moss just does not look like moss. I need more like a blobby booger look. It looks like sludge. Old sludge. That's pretty accurate for color. Actually, that doesn't look too bad. It wasn't so wet looking. Whoa, why is that on? Yeah, what soft light? This would definitely work as moss, but the booger pillar. But dude, cracking myself up. Hmm. We need an underlayer for roughness. Even though we still sort of have it, you get these spots like this. But I like that though. So we can darken this. See how that looks. And obviously we're gonna change this. Something like that. See how that kind of serves as a base. This being right on the edge is not. Here we go. We want to hide that. The whole point of texturing is to not see the shape. It's supposed to, when you look at things in real life, things form into an object. You don't want your object to look like a shape. You want it to look like an object. That's where objects get names. This texture's already looking kind of like 1,000 times better than this one, though, if I'm being honest. well. Do this. Throw this down here. The booger pillar. The booger pillar. Booger pillar. What is this? Oh my gosh. I should probably try a different one. Moss? No. If it was patchy, I would use it. Oh. Yeah, no. That just looks like grain. Oh. Might work. Oh, yeah, this might work. I actually like that. Bushy, it's called. Yeah. That's why it was acting strange. Okay. This is looking better. I kind of want to see what bushy looks like. Um, that one, okay. Do kind of like it. Even though the difference is nice too. That actually looks a lot more normal when it's rough like that instead of shiny. We're gonna do that. And then we'll make the rock underneath. Ultra shine. I'm just playing. We'll leave the these elements to be the shiny parts and not take away from the rest of it. Yeah, that actually looks a lot better. I think having some voids in there be nice. Right. Can we pull off green now? Yeah, we'll actually need those. These are good base layers. Kind of random. Hmm. Bruh. Saving. Saving be like. Do not like that. I have an idea. It's actually a pretty color. Oh, there's the reason. Sorry guys, I'm in work mode, so I'm just not even talking. Let me get this done and over with so that I can run the game. Go back to the green we had. Yeah, I kind of want to go with like a flutter, glitter. This is the definition of too much detail. Too much stuff. These are gonna look similar, but not the same. Definitely not the same. Let's see how this looks under an actual light. Okay. That's not bad though. That's really not that bad. Okay. We'll see how this looks. Go ahead and export. We already have that exported. For 36. Go. We have 2 cube 36s. That's not good. Alrighty. There we go. Kind of a round dome. Oh, you know what? What if we did this instead? Like, yeah, we'll run with that. Unnecessary details here. What is this? What are these? We don't really need to be practical either, like in terms of design. Like, we don't have to be too realistic. What I mean by that. There we go. That's a better look. I feel like there's too much. That's okay. Swap? What is it? Swap? No more lanterns. Outside? There's outside lighting? Or hanging light? Oh, I see. Yeah, I really like this being open a lot more. As much as it's not going to be completely open, I really like the pavilion type of plan. Let's go for it. Let's hope this works. Because last time it aired out, and I'm really hoping it doesn't air out. Okay, it worked. The last time I exported in this format, it did not work. So it was like, and then when I emailed them about it, they were like, "Well, this is an old version. We don't actually care anymore." Pretty much. It's very large. Actually, it's to scale. It's not very large. It's to scale. Have you ever seen one of those meshes inside a library? Roblox library? That's very large. You load them in and they're like this, twice the size of the base plate. That's very large. All right, let's see. Any day now. Holy dark, dude. Holy green, actually. I'm like, holy UV. What is going on with these UVs? Oh, I see. I should have known, dude. I should have known. Let's see if this works. All right, who wants to paintball? Anyone around to paintball? Anyone want a paintball? How dark is that? Oh, it's super. It's not super dark, but it's pretty dang dark, dude. Like if we're comparing these two, holy moly, dark. Vera, are you still there? I think we can try paintballing now because I got the texture done. See how it goes. Oh yeah, I gotta re-up. Imagine. All that and it's just like ruined. Yeah, there we go. All right, now let's throw PBR on there and see how it really looks. Right now it just looks like crap. You're working? All right. Never mind. Normal maps make things go crazy. Now, put it all together. Whew. Okay. It's not like crazy like the other ones, but it's good. Nice. Much better than nothing. Or being nothing like most of these. These were sideways in the plan. Is anyone else available to play paintball? Is anyone... Does anyone want to play paintball? Is the floor literally a layer? Oh my gosh, I can't believe... I cannot believe I've done this. Let's fix it. Is it just me or is it like way massive now? Fix that a little bit. I think that's a good size. That's better, but it's still massive. Okay, let's. Perfect. I think. I think. The other one is pretty good too, but this one fits with the floor. With the existing floor. Oh my gosh, it's not even centered. Who built this? Who built what? That's aligned with. I'm disappointed in myself. Not even straight, dude. Here we go. Unbelievable. That looks better. Gone. It's all gone. No. I'll swap. The mesh you are importing is very large. Yes. Yes. No. Oh boy. Oh boy. I'm in for a ride. Thanks for the positive comment, Majid. I don't know if I'm saying your username right, but Majid. I'll try. But thank you. Dude, people on YouTube already, viewers from YouTube, because normally I stream on Twitch. Viewers from YouTube are already a lot nicer than Twitch viewers. Well, people joining, like, who aren't used to the stream already. I can tell. I've only gotten some positive interactions. So thank you. Here we go. Does that fit? Oh, it does. Okay. Very nice. It is rotated, isn't it? Yep. It's about a stud and a half. Stud and a half. Okay. That's roughly centered. Oh, forgot one more. It did it just on one side. Thought I would. Yeah, that does it all sides. What's up, Justin? That's a cool thing about YouTube's algorithm, is that it actually is functional as an algorithm. I wonder if, I'm curious if you guys are just like finding the stream randomly. Twitch, dude, there is no such thing. Like, people have to find you on their own. I could be wrong though. Good color for these pillars. Sweet. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think there's that many people who stream Roblox, especially Roblox Studio. So that's actually pretty cool. Right. I'm redoing some style in my game, my design. I'm family friendly, so I can make it on Roblox, or not on Roblox. I can make it on YouTube. I can't make it on Roblox. The ring lets me properly get centered. Like it's over rotating. Strange. There we go. All right, let's see how this looks from a player's perspective. We obviously have to fix the portals and everything, but this will look pretty sick when it all comes out. I bet this is all unanchored. Imagine. Everything just falls apart. Oh yeah, I have to go through the intro and then the I need a way to disable this. Well, I do have one, but I've never seen it do that before. Fling me from the side. This is nice. I really like the natural lighting coming in. That's really nice. Well, let's see how night looks. Yeah, there needs to be light in here somehow. Fireflies aren't working. Thank you. I put a lot of time into it, more than needed. I'm not even like a UI guy really, but I decided to just kind of go all out. I was like, I want this to look good, but it is nice now. Took some influence from games outside of Roblox. Like Genshin Impact. All the anime games have really good UI. So got to get you to buy gacha. They need you to buy gacha. I like this. Need some lighting and I think this needs to be starter player scripts. Add some Pokemon. I wonder how that would actually work if it did something like that. And now they're spawning. $945. Oh my gosh. That'd be crazy. Pokemon would be interesting though. Like pets. I always like, out of everything, if you're gonna make a game that requires people to like gamble, then at least make them like enjoyable. Make what you're getting enjoyable and something you can play with, you know? Like it's a core part of the game. if it's like I've seen Souls RNG, I think it's pretty crooked. It's not like they planned it to be that way. Whoops. But it's just like you're spinning infinitely for particles. And it's like there's no gameplay in that really. Which is crazy to me how so many people play it. I'm like, dude. Or played it. Played. Play is a strong word. What exactly do you mean? Like even allowing to say or saying that you're even playing at all? Is that what you mean? Because I would agree. Oh my gosh, I can't. Ah. Dude, Roblox. Roblox ruined cylinders. What is this? What is this? What have they done? Like I can't actually understand how my item is being scaled anymore. It's just what is this movement system? I I don't know what's happening. What is this? What is it lining itself up with? And this is uniform. Oh wait, no it's not. Unacceptable. I'm firing myself. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I know exactly what you mean then. Could do some spiritual creature somewhere in the map. Looks like it's on an island. What if you had an animated water spirit sprite or something to find, or spirit if you meant spirit, something that captures the water sphere thing. Yeah. I definitely like where your mind is going with that. I've had more recently I've had the idea of doing like working on a boss. I've always wanted to make a boss fight. Or at least the animations for one. Even if I can't do the mechanics, I'd like to do. Right, let's try that. See, this is what I mean. I can't actually properly scale cylinders anymore without it taking like all of my energy. Is that even scaled? It is. No, it's not. Look at this. What? That's not even scale. Dude. Is that scaled? Okay, it is. Bro. I'm never doing anything in Roblox again. I'm just making meshes forever. Where it could where it could work, yeah, the game definitely has like a an RPG style feel, and that's exactly what I wanted. I'm thinking of honestly starting your character here instead with the spawn instead of here in the center, because what I want to do is I was thinking of making it a showcase. I could make it a separate place. I will make it a separate place actually, where the detail is kind of more crazy than this, and it's more of like a showcase instead of a game. I want like a large type of, I want to say Coliseum, but a large open area. Almost like a temple, but not a temple. With the arc sphere in the center, which is my logo, the big ball. Just set size manually in properties. Roblox randomly throws stuff off grid. That's just the new cylinder update. It's just all crappy, man. It's just crappy. Better off making preset meshes for everything. I'm gonna be the... Yeah, I know exactly what I'm gonna do. Do we have a portal in here? I don't. Look at this, dude. Oh my gosh, this is so old. This is from ages ago. Oh my gosh, dude. This is from so long ago. Oh my gosh. It's not so long ago, it's like 4 years, but that's a long time. Look at this. Yeah. It's still in the it's still in the mind. This is more of like a very casual game meant for community stuff. Like the whole original purpose of this game is for the community specifically. But the more I work on it and the more stuff I add, the more like the more it could functionally be drawn out into a actual game. But I should have and I could do something like that. Could do something like that, like as an actual game. Or at least like an RPG, even like an RPG game doesn't have to necessarily even feature combat. It could just be a story game. Like I could definitely see myself doing that here instead of a combat game, like having story intermingled with it being a community game. That would be really cool. I think that's the best approach. I really like that. I'll have to jot this down. Uh, do the portals work? Oh yeah, I can show you. When I publish this, I will show you. They definitely work. And they go Early Isle is the previous version of this game, which used to be called Epic Gamerland because my group, the community name used to be called United Epic Gamers because I used to be called United States 11. That's some lore. United States 11, and now I'm Arkdal, which is a lot like better of a name. But yeah, Umar. By the way, Vera, what's the best way to package a UI that I can just give like I can provide on the marketplace? Because I want to do that little game notification thing. If you've seen it, patriotism exactly. I was a patriotic little kid when I made that name. Patriotic little turd. No. Frame selected. Where are we at? There we go. Okay. I was gonna say, would it be better if I made it like a plugin? Probably not, because a plugin is an actual functionality that can be integrated into Studio and not just Roblox. So, man, I wish they had like separate categories for stuff like that. They have every single category for the catalog where they make all their money, all their website sales. But there's nothing other than like 6 categories, and it wouldn't even be that difficult to sort them. You just add tags. All right, I'll check it out. Yeah, that's what I have going. I have that here, time plate alert. It's just like that, sound, script, everything else. My UI skills have gotten pretty decent in the last 2 weeks. Maybe it's a good thing, maybe it's a bad thing. Because I forgot how to texture. No, I'm just kidding. Imagine you forget how to do things. Does thing, forgets everything. I don't like that. Never mind. We'll go ahead and do something like this. Whoops. Much better. And then on top of that, we do one of these. Now that's probably going to look like crap over here. Yep. As expected. So what we're going to do, though, is mirror it. Because mirroring is awesome. But yeah, once I'm done here, get this path done, I can explore the game. And we can do we can do paintball. A little bit of paintball. Got the whole anime playlist in my head right now. Like all of it. It's so weird, dude. When I was in high school, anime was like weird. Anime was strange. You were like the weird kid if you watched it. I made sure to stay quiet because it was my survival tactic. There were some people who didn't know better, and so they got eaten alive by that cult called public school, that freaking prison. There's like dude, there's a hierarchy of demonic cults in school. You could get eaten alive. True story. Someone got eaten alive. Not actually, but getting bullied and stuff. Yeah, I was smart enough to know the way around. So I was like a nomad. I wasn't with anybody, but I wasn't against anybody either. Very nomadic, and like I am now. Neutral. I remain neutral. Favorable position. Until later in high school. When I found myself, I was like, I was ready to fight everybody. Not actually, but that would have been pretty funny. That's there we go. There we go. Now it's straight. There we go. We fixed it. Let's go. And this looks a lot better. Now that we have rounded pathways. Wow. We can get rid of all these little things. Perfection. I wonder if I can copy origin location from here and then apply it to another object. I've never tried that yet. I don't think I have. I don't believe I have. All right. Here's the trick. Oops. Pretty close. I have a dry nose or something. I want to do something in the future, probably not on this stream because we're hitting 2 hours now. Where I work on a viewport frame that visualizes an object or collection of objects, sort of like how Roblox's event portals work. Even though I could just copy one of theirs, like pre-made ones. I would like to try and make my own. I don't like Ready Player 2s, actually. More like Ready Player 2s than anything. I still remember those. I want to make I still want to make them. It's been a while. I think I have the skills now to actually do it too, because I can script. And I can do UI and I can do 3D. That's perfect right there. I will go for it. Isn't that a perfect? Yeah, this is a perfect 45, I believe. Maybe not. There we go. All right. We have our crosshair. Because that's what it is. I'm going to add little... Do the fireflies have lights on them? They do. Okay. Add shadow. No. Add little shadows from them. Technically, I can replace the firefly with whatever. Let's do... I still have your fireflies, Vera. Oh, which direction was that? Back. Okay. Is there drag? Or acceleration? There is. I wish you could do like brightness adjustment like on a graph. That'd be so cool. Yeah, they should be balls. They should be flying little balls. Oh. Not again. Alright, yeah. Time to end the stream. Soon. Very nice. Okay, we're gonna need light in here. We're gonna need light. Alright. And what did I say? Gonna have to fix that. Alright. Bro. All right, there we go. That's another one completed. Ooh, okay. From a distance, this looks pretty nice. All right. And the next and final building to redo, one of the major ones, is the museum / library. Delete everything. Let's just start deleting everything. No. Is anyone still around? Anyone still around to play paintball? To try paintball? Didn't get anyone. All right. Publish it. Oh, hold on. I want to try something. You know what? And I can definitely vouch for I have learned programming partially because I can read your code and I can read your code and actually understand what things mean, like better than I used to be able to. Like this is calling from a table. I'm gonna use brackets. Tick. Trying to see. Okay. Hey, I know those fireflies. True. Yeah, that's what I was saying. I was saying I haven't used much of this, but I can read through what you've done and actually like understand more than I could previously. Since excuse me, since what I've been doing. I'm gonna make everyone fall asleep. But let me. Yeah, this contains all the information. Okay, there we go. I've got him over in the Coliseum now. Oh yeah, that's sick. This looks a lot better. Let's not fix, but update this. This was 3600 and this was 1800. Pretty simple. And now we may publish. This blends in with the grass. I don't like that. Hold on. Can't have that. We can't have that blending in with the grass. Like, look, you look down at that and it's literally just blending in with the grass. I was going to I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna publish first. I was gonna do some crazy loading screen tweening, but I won't. Did it publish successfully? Yes, we did. All right. Full screen. Oh yeah, man. This game in full screen looks so good. Oh, what? That looks different. It looks so different. Oh man. Okay. This is a W. Hello. This is a W. You can look up. But yeah, this is this will take you to another. It should take you to another place. Will ethereal boundary work? Oh my gosh. Okay. Bro. Hold on. Are the teleport parts like all out of whack? Hold on. No. Epic fail. Spins around. Why? I wonder if it'll work for replicated first. Teleporting good, bro. No. Hold on. That better not happen in widescreen. Oh my god. I need to disable this. But it still looks like crap. Paintballing in classical Greece. That would be cool. That would be cool. That kind of reminds me of what Crossroads is like. Or not Crossroads, Chaos Canyon. It kind of has like ancient relic type buildings. You're hired. This looks like like a race type of font. So we'll go with Fondamento. All right. Let's see if this functions appropriately. Alright, there you go. Now it should work. Oh my gosh, the anniversary of the group is coming up. The 4-year anniversary of this game is coming up. Alright, now I can show you that yes, indeed, the portals do teleport to other places. You'll see early Isle. Hopefully it'll actually teleport. Imagine if it doesn't. Oh, there we go. Yeah, nothing fancy here. I haven't updated really anything. Even the intro UI is old. Goes to show how much it's changed, though. This island is massive. It's not massive, but it's huge. It's really big for no reason. I just made it big for no reason. It's a really good egg hunting map. That's why it's still around. Definitely an egg hunt map. If there was like a community get together, that's what I would like to do. Doesn't teleport me back, right? Just keep spamming the request. We'll visit. No, we won't. We won't visit anywhere. We won't visit anything, anytime, anywhere, ever. Ever. We're gonna get an error here. Sort area is not a valid member of workspace. Sort script. Line 8. And that's why the sword's broken. Okay, now I should be safe. Oh shoot. There we go. It works. That's it. That's it for tonight. Thank you guys for watching. Calling it a night. Got a lot. Got quite a bit done. that's it for working on the game. We're going to do paintball now. If anyone wants to join, I'll leave a link in the chat. So no more work. We did the time limit UI and the 3D design for the pavilion, now called pavilion instead of a coliseum. It's a pavilion. And now we'll do some paintball. But yeah, good night if you're leaving now or you're not able to make it. The paintball. All right, I'm gonna leave this. I'll show you guys what the paintball looks like if you haven't seen it or you haven't played yet. This is why I want to show somebody. I want to like show at least one person so they can vouch for me and be like, "Whoa, that's actually pretty cool." Look, it even sets your armor and everything, and look, it's like does thing, it shoots. Even better. Well, the flags don't work yet. I haven't done any actual gameplay, anything gameplay. I'm not that good. Maybe over time. But even cooler is, oh yeah, let me post a link. Paintball and Azure Isles. Maybe my, oh yeah, my cursor is missing. I forgot to reinstate the cursor. Or reallow the cursor. Is the game public? Supposed to be. Either way, there's rocket pickups, there's rocket spawns. And then on top of that, there's sniper spawns too. So you got actual weapons. Now, realistically, I could just kind of like advertise the game. People could just start shooting each other, but that's not really the point. And there's no people don't play like that anymore. There's no effort in playing games anymore. It's all just automated everything. Everything's just Either way, there's also team me, neutral, you know, and then if I do, there's round control. Like if you have admin, you can control games by doing commands, raise barriers, and the barriers are raised. So if you go team red, team me red, and then respawn me, you can't actually leave. You can't leave until game is started. People don't really do that anymore. But this will make it more competitive that way. All right. And then if you say lower barriers, only if you are whitelisted, you can start games. You have to have admin and whitelist for commands, for custom commands. VIP server commands. Woo. And you get cool custom armor so people know what team you're on. Well, no one's joining, so yeah, I'm just gonna end the stream. I'm pretty tired anyways. I'll go hang out in a game or something. I don't know what I'll do. Maybe maybe I should read. Could do that. All right then. Have a good night. Take care. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe. And I don't know what else. Check out the links down below. Like the group, join the group, and join the Discord if you can. If you want to keep up to date with my streams and anything I'm making. So you're in bed, no problem. No problem. No problem. Thanks for stream, bro. I'm still lurking and co-working. That's how it is. That's how it is typically with these streams. That's typically how it is with most streams, I think. Sometimes I really wonder how in the world a lot of streamers have like a million trillion viewers and a lot of them are actually interacting. This is, to me, is I'm wondering about what the heck are they doing. Like, it's good to see people in my chat are actually doing things. So that's always pretty good to see. Instead of just consuming, I'd prefer that. 100,000 people listening to me, but yeah. If you get a bunch of people tomorrow, I can ask WLC if they'd be down. That'd be cool. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get anybody in here. Well, maybe I can. I have some ways. I have some contacts that I could probably put more effort into organizing something with them. So yeah, I could do that. Yeah. I actually, thinking about it now, that would make it a lot more enjoyable. Like, let's say our community has their own like little squad, and then it's like our community versus WLC in their actual paintball matches. That would be cool. So, and we're like inviting different teams to play. No one shows up for the game, and you're like 1 versus 8. That'd be pretty brutal. Elimination. Yeah, that could be pretty fun. I'll just have to organize. Yeah, I'll have to go out of my way to organize that better. But that sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan. For other than that, good night. Take care. Hopefully I'll see you guys around in the next one. Bye bye. And there's my wallpaper.